Right now, tech companies are feeding centuries of human art, music, and film into server farms to train models that can simulate creativity at zero marginal cost. They call it efficiency. But let's call it what it actually is: the automated laundering of human expression. Silicon Valley has spent the last decade convincing creators to build audiences on platforms they do not own, only to change the algorithms and demand payment to reach those exact same followers. And now those same platforms are using your data to figure out how to replace you entirely. We're building Southern Time because the line has to be drawn somewhere. We're currently raising a $4 million seed round to build a sovereign digital ecosystem that treats human expression as sacred, not data inputs. $1 million is dedicated entirely to a decentralized tech infrastructure that secures your data privacy and creator ownership. The other $3 million goes entirely into funding the pre-production of our flagship 17-episode first season of our rock opera series, Dreamer. We aren't building a giant, faceless warehouse for content. We're building a private, secure sanctuary for cultural creatives who are ready to disconnect from the data harvesting machine. The private beta waiting list is live at southerntime.ca. If you believe that the human soul cannot be automated, stop feeding the corporations your attention. Secure your spot in the vanguard today.